Hello, Manatee.
No, she just got it on.
Oh, beauty. Hello. Hello, beauty. Hello.
Look at the manatee.
Hello, beauty. Oh, don't get too close.
Oh my goodness.
Hello, beauty.
Oh my goodness, look at the little thing coming out behind it. Hey look, there's more fish coming, see?
Wow.
Sorry, bud. Wow.
Oh, she blows.
She blows. Don't get too close to the edge, my darling. I don't feel like swimming. And I probably wouldn't. I'd probably let you find your own way out.
Yep, look guys.
Here she comes.
It's like a sea cow.
No.
Look at that.
There she is.
A majestic.
She's a beautiful duck. It was Chia was here.
She's huge.
There she is.
That's a huge manatee.
That's pretty awesome, huh?
Here, Rob, stick your,
How
I don't want it to slip on.
Alright, honey, stand back.
close is that? And just how clear.
It's because they only have 4 molars.
Hold on.
Look at the way her flipper,
It's so smooth the way her flipper moves.
right? Isn't that smooth?
This is why people would think they were mermaids.
Yeah, the flipper is fantastic.
It's a school of fish. Holly, come over here. A school of fish.
They're following her.
A school. Daddy, over here, a school.
Very nice.
Really cool,
And
right?
there's also a school of
That's
fish
nice
and
to
a
see in the
manatee.
morning.
And there's also a school of fish.
Hey, hey, hey.
A school of fish.
This is too much sun for me.
I'm gonna go, Daddy.
Well, hold on. I have to walk you there, Julian. They're completely harmless, right, Rob?
See, that's why this is the dive capital of the world. You see, even in the harbor, how clear it is, Julian. Don't get so close.
What? Is she gentle?
Super.
Can you hold on to him, Rob? Because
So you could
he
go
wants to go
diving
too.
and
I'm going to
swimming
get out of
with
the
her?
sun.
Okay.
Hello. She keeps coming up for air. Look at her. There's her nose. Look at hello, princess.
Hi, baby.
She's eating.
Hello. She's eating.
Look at her teeth.
You see her teeth? Oh, she's eating clams. See her?
Oh, look at that.
Look at her,
Look
her
at that.
face. Look at her face. Hello.
Hi, princess. Does he have eyes? I can see her eyes.
Guys, that's amazing.
What's she doing?
Do you have eyes? I gotta get a picture now. Where's her eyes? Pose for the camera. There's her.
Look at her. Look at her.
See your eyes, Josie?
Don't flash with her.
She's having a
Oh, snap.
smacky pappy. Oh, she's beautiful. Look at her. Okay, I don't want to fall in. She's eating. Look at her teeth.
Horse teeth.
She does look like she has horse teeth. Look at her. It's like
Oh,
horse
she's
teeth.
just gnawing on it.
She's trying to open the...
She's nibbling on clams.
I'm sure she knows what she's doing. Looks like she's been here before. She sees us and she doesn't care.
No, she's completely comfortable.
Does she have eyes?
That's her eye right there.
I know, but it's like a hole in
It's
her
closed
head.
because the water.
It's like a hole
And
in
she
her
opens
head.
it. See it?
She's open.
Why is it like a hole in her
I feel like helping her.
head? Right?
Oh, sweet girl.